Welcome to our channel. Setting up emergency contacts in Google Chrome can provide quick access to important people in critical situations. Follow these steps to configure this feature effectively. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access Chrome's configuration options. Step 3. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section in the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Look for site settings or permissions to manage how websites can access your information. Step 5. While Chrome doesn't have built-in emergency contact management, use Google Contacts through your browser by visiting contacts.google.com. Step 6. Create a new group called Emergency Contacts and add important contacts like family members, doctors, or close friends. Step 7. Star or favorite these contacts to make them easily accessible through your browser's toolbar or bookmarks. Step 8. Consider installing a Chrome extension designed for emergency contact management to enhance this functionality and create a quick access toolbar button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.